Patricia Javier.
Hey guys, I'm Doc Rob.
Hello po sa mga kabalin. We're here in Angeles City, Pampanga.
Yes. Yeah, if you guys are wondering what is chiropractic, chiropractors, we are doctors that care for your spine and the very important organ called your central nervous system.
Welcome to Angeles City! You're watching
So if you're experiencing headaches, back pain, injuries, this could be a sign that you need chiropractic in your life. So come and visit us here in Angeles, Pampanga.
Yes, opo. Nandito lang po kami sa Infinity, the shop. Malapit lang po ito sa Marquee Mall.
Hey everyone, our doctor here in Pampanga is Dr. Mike Murphy.
Hi everyone. Come on in, get checked, and let's see if we can't make you healthier.
Kaya mga kabalin, punta na po kayo dito.
See you here.
See you here.